Welcome to another cooking using my beloved mom's gorgeous, delightful food recipes in this beautiful cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And this, all my 22 books, including my Mom and Chef, are all available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes& and Nobles, all bookstores near you, in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. Ebook, Kindle means you could upload my book, my mom's cookbook, quickly in your computer, and also available at my two websites, juanitagutierrez.com, juanitagutierrezbscdmscd.com. And so, let's go to our hot pan. I already sprinkled some olive oil, and I would like to add more olive oil right there. Alright, this is really delicious and delightful. And this is going to be our Filipino menudo. And we're going to drop in the garlic. If you notice, there are some skins of the garlic. Mom said it's okay because it has nutrients as well. The aroma of the garlic is super flavorful. I wish you're all here with me so you could smell and enjoy, and we are going to cook this all together. And I'm including also a fresh bay leaf. Then next is the onions, and the aroma is super yum. I wish you're all here with me so you could enjoy this. You could enjoy this all together. And then comes the colorful bell pepper, red, yellow, and orange, and green. Right there. And then we continue to stir as well. And then we're going to mix in the potatoes. We put them all together, all the potatoes, and we continue to stir as well. The aroma is inviting you and me to cook and eat. And we're going to squeeze in a little lemon, and we're going to use, excuse me please, bay leaf. This is fresh bay leaf. As you can see here, it gives aroma and protection and delightful taste. And after cooking, you could toast them away as well. And we continue to stir. And our beef menudo. This is our beef, and we're going, oh my, the aroma is inviting you and me to cook and eat. And we got, these are all washed carefully, and then we continue to stir as well. And we're adding beef liver right here. This is optional, you don't have to. This is beef liver. As I have mentioned, you don't have to. This is optional. And then we stir continuously, and the aroma is inviting you and me. Super yum. Then we're gonna add the chickpeas. or garbanzo in Tagalog and Spanish. We have Spanish names because Spain colonized the Philippines for more than 350 years. So how about that? And then we're going to add in tomatoes right there. This is super yum already. And we're gonna add some pineapples. This is optional as well. You don't have to add pineapples if you don't have, but this will add super delightful flavor as well. This is really good. Now, and then we continue to stir. Lots of goodies, very flavorful. And we're going to add in the tomato sauce. This is flavored tomato, basil, garlic. And then we add like so. And also, we're gonna add tomato paste and right there. I'm going to use all the tomato paste right here. And I'm going to put a little water so we could extract all the tomato paste like so. And we continue to stir. The aroma is just super delicious. You're gonna love this as I do. This is one of my favorites that my mom always cooked, especially on holidays, Christmas, New Year, birthdays, weddings, any special occasion, graduation. Now we are going to pour in the water that we mix with the tomato paste so we could get all the tomato paste inside, and then we continue to stir. Wow, this is already super gourmet. Wowie. The aroma is inviting you and me to cook and eat. And let's continue to stir them. And now I'm going to add in tomato sauce, just a little bit. You could add more as you go along. And also we're adding black pepper, right? I'm calculating because I'm used to watching mom calculate. And we're going to add in herbs de Provence. My beloved mom and I traveled to Europe, as well as my dad and all my brothers and sisters. And in France, there's so many herbs in Provence. They have also lavender over there. The aroma is just super yum. Let me stir this a little bit more. And the aroma of our menudo, beef menudo, is really super yum. I'm gonna add, let me see here, alkaline water or tap water if you would like so, to add to the cooking process. And then we're going to stir them like so, and then we're going to put the lid on and wait for it to boil and simmer and cook, and then we're gonna love it. We're going to enjoy this all together. Isn't that beautiful? That's all there is to it. Does it, isn't it? Beef menudo. Oh wow, this is super aromatic, flavorful, nutritious. You're gonna love this, I do. Happy cooking. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, and this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter. Speaking to you about the video, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and you'll find all my books at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, and at my two websites, JuanitaGutierrez.com, JuanitaGutierrezBSEDMSED.com. And I would like to thank all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And also, I would like to invite you to get a 10% discount in allfreshseafood.com, or you could call 1-833-GOT-CRAB. And our beef menudo is slowly simmering and boiling. Wow, this is just super delicious, super aromatic, and super nutritious. Beef menudo, Filipino style, with pineapples and chickpeas or guisantes. Wow, you're gonna love this as I do. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Happy cooking. See you in the next video. We are going to enjoy this all together.